Do you also have that one friend that you have no idea where, when, how you became friends with, but they have been in your life since forever? For me, that friend is Bihu. Growing up in Assam, you do not learn Bihu. You breathe it. Hi, my name is Rishika. This is part one of me telling you the story behind how an Indian classical dancer ended up in a folk dance party in Germany. Bihu is actually the starting of my dance journey, but my teacher literally gave up on me because the ferry ride across Brahmaputra was too far for her to do it just for one kid. So my parents put me into Hotriya classes. Strict grammar, rigorous discipline. I was training to be a classical dancer. And back then actually we were actively told not to perform bihu because the body language is polar opposite. Hotriya is structured and bihu is wild freedom. Eventually I moved out of Guwahati for my graduation and started to hear questions like, where is Ahom? Where is Guwahati? Is Guwahati next to Pune? Do you know Seema Bora? Do you remember that murder case that blew up? I felt very small. This is also the first time I realized the heaviness of cultural identity. Following an icebreaker event for the college, I registered myself to perform a dance. I was too insecure to perform Hotriya, so I did the next best thing. I danced in Bihu Huria and everyone loved it. Everyone enjoyed it so much. But inside me, I felt like a fraud. And I thought I was not doing justice to my art form. And this imposter syndrome, I carried it all over the world.